Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. I have such an exciting unboxing to share with you guys today. And it's actually not for me. It's a gift for my mommy and the ominous white bag. If you shop here, then maybe you'll know what it is, because inside the ominous white bag is a huge, oh crap, let's see if I can get this out, orange bag. Yee, so exciting. So I got this for my mommy. I was asking my sales associate if I could get something for my mommy, and it finally came true. Before we show that, I bought something, a little something for myself. This is a rosy lip shine enhancer, and finally they came out with balms. And you guys know I don't like lipsticks and stuff. I never wear any makeup in general, but they finally came out with balms. How do I do this? Whoa, I've never unboxed something like this before. It comes in its little dust bag. How stinking cute. What? So cute. Okay, so this is the color. Oh my god, it's magnetic. Ah! And it's really pretty. It has the H emblem on it. H for Harles. And I got it in the color Rose Confetti. Oh! It's funny because I have a lot of these things. I have like a ton of balms that I put on here. So I have a Merit lip oil, the Hermes Rose Cola. This is actually really nice. It smells like Diet Coke. And then this one is Glossier in the color Villa. And they're all about the same mauve color. I always pick this mauve color. So nice to have this new shade. This Hermes thing didn't come with a little like holder. I wonder if these are refillable because the packaging is so gorgeous. Anyways, this is the color. It's just this like really pretty balm. It's actually very sheer, like you don't even see anything. So love that. I got that for myself. Had to pick myself up a little trinket, you know, but the exciting part, let's talk about what I got my mom. So my mom said I could open this up, and thanks to her, so I bought this for her and she's so excited. So here we go. I have the receipt, of course. This came fresh from, oh, the name is right here. Fresh from the store. I can't believe she's letting me open this because like, this is so exciting. If you shop here a lot, or if you watch a lot of unboxings or stuff like that, then you would know what it is, because this box is very true to its item. Again, got this at the Toronto store. My mom came with me actually because she was all excited, and we made sure she was happy with it. She did request a taupe, noir, or gold. Had to have gold hardware or a neutral in any neutral, and we didn't get any of those picks, but we did get this. Oh my god, I just dropped something. Okay, this is bad, but this is the pick she got. This is the Picotin 18 in gold hardware in the color Graphite. I still think it's very beautiful. I love the shade as well. It comes with bubbles, and there is a lock and key on the inside, which is very cute. She loves gold hardware. Lately I've been loving gold hardware too, so very nice. Nice lock and key. It's always a perk to get things if you can in store, because obviously you don't have to pay a markup. And this was literally still sealed, boxed from the warehouse. Is it the warehouse? Oh my god, I don't know how to do this. Do I just have it hanging like this, or does it go over? No, it doesn't make sense to do that. Anyways, I guess I'll have to like research for her. But there's not much there's not much to this bag. This is the 18 size. The 22 size is a great size as well. It's just a bucket bag with 2 handles. I hope she will let me borrow it. It has the lock feature here. I think having a Pegasus or a Rodeo hanging would be really nice. As you guys know, we are dog people. I wish they had a dog. I know they have a little like Scotty dog with like Sherpa detailing. I don't know if they would even have that, but that would be very cute hanging off of this. And the only hardware on here is literally the top here. There's a little bit of hardware on the top, as you guys can see. The key has some hardware, as you can see. The little grommet here that protects the leather from the lock has some hardware, and the bottom has some hardware. The bottom has feet, which is really nice because it is a hard base, but the leather itself is made of Clemence leather, so as it ages, it's going to get very soft and supple and smooth. This is grained leather, so it's really nice. I think this size is so darling, and I love that the lock helps keep the whole bag in, so it closes and then you can just reach inside. This is definitely a very like no frills kind of bag where you have to know that you're gonna be holding this, and it would be like this. I guess it doesn't go with my beach vibe terry outfit at the moment. I did think a taupe would be definitely a more versatile color, but my mom loves these gray colors, and literally the bag she was wearing was like a crossbody Marc Jacobs bag in like a very light shade of this gray. So she was very, very happy with this item. But yeah, this is the bag in question for her, and I'm excited that she's getting this. So yeah, again, I hope she lets me borrow it because I don't have a Picotin in my own collection, and she can borrow any of my bags in exchange, so I can borrow her bag. But how freaking cute is this? I really love it. I think it's so nice. I actually saw a Nata in store. I think it was the 22 size, and it was not for sale. When you go into Hermes, they finally actually put bags on display. There's actually a Kelly 25 and a Birkin 25 that they put on display, but they're display only. And it was a Cellier Birkin, which was so beautiful. I've never seen one in person in my life. What I love about the Picotin is that it's really, and like the brand, like Hermes, the brand in general, is that there's no branding on these bags. And I know a lot, like Hermes has gotten very popular over the years. Personally, I've always thought it was a cool brand ever since Gilmore Girls. If you watched Gilmore Girls, then you would know that Rory got a Birkin from Logan, and it was like a pink Birkin or something like that, which is not very Rory at all. So I can't believe Logan would have got her a Birkin that was pink, because like Rory seems like she would be like a black or gold kind of girl. But anyways, Rory got a Birkin from Logan, and then she showed Emily Gilmore, which is her grandmother, and Emily Gilmore was like, a Birkin? Logan got you a Birkin? Anyways, love that show. So this brand has always been like very interesting to me, but I like it because it has an H for Harley, H for Hermes, H for my baby though. But yeah, I like that it's very, like, you don't know what bag this is unless you like the brand. That is my, not mine, this is my unboxing for my mummies. I hope she enjoys. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. I hope one of these comes my way in the near future. But anyways, I'm glad that she got something for her birthday. You will definitely see me stealing this bag, okay? I'm going to steal it from her and be like, I'm using this, all right? I am using this. And I love that it has feet. I love the little bucket design. It's very, very cute. And I just love the whole look of it all. Anyways, obsessed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, _HelloHarley. Follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!